Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to add a bio on the Substack app. This is important because a well-written bio helps your readers understand who you are and what your content is about. First, open the Substack app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. Next, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings page, you will see an option called Edit Profile. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile information. Here, you will find bio fields, and type in a short description about yourself, your interests, or the topics you write about. Make sure it is clear, concise, and represents your style. After entering your bio, review it to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, click on the Save button located at the top right corner. Your bio is now updated and visible to your readers whenever they visit your profile. This small update can make a big difference in attracting and connecting with your audience. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.